Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So let's talk about how to get the metallic letters on Canva. It's actually one of their fairly used text templates. So create a design. Doesn't matter if it's a white background design. So as long as we have a set to work onto, let's see. So wait for it to load. Click on text, and in here you can see a bunch of text fonts here. You could add the heading. Okay, so there's recently used here actually, and what we need to do if you're having a hard time finding it is just to basically search the metallic font here. Let's just wait for it to load a little bit here. Choose the metallic option and then add text. So that's just basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.